Ubah Vincent H. Pala, ulang Presiden Jangka Mekhlia Pradesh Congress Committee, matang sini ulapan pau di kentin ki bateng ia, habo la keno baka jeng pet no ki amali kesang Congress syuk baka Seng kedai namar kapisa. Ulang baka sungsi kalong baka ni kapisa omtang baka late syaki rusan pertai. Lekan pegapor baka late syaki balang bat jaduk kishnong
I
kumju.
think, I can confidently say that the ill-gotten money which they get from the roadside, from the coal, from the cow, from the chips, from everything has spilled towards politicians. I'm afraid that it'll split towards the churches, towards the villages, and also will become like a Nagaland. The individual politicians will be very rich, and whereas the state will be poor. If you go to Nagaland as on today, if you see that election will not be fought based on ideology, will not be fought based on issues, but I'm sorry to say, not only example Nagaland, other states, many other areas also. So it is based on how much money you are spending. So I'm sorry to say that Meghalaya, we never had that problem. This will be the first time when you see that, example at NPP, if they go to the ground, grassroots, they want to organize, nobody will be with them to organize. Trinamool is trying to organize, nobody is joining them easily. So all these parties, if they're trying to organize, nobody will join them. That's why they're trying to buy, or they're trying to lure the MLAs so that they have a base on the ground. I think that's one of the main reasons why they target the MLAs, the MDCs, our district presidents. They have approached so many of our people also.
I mean, they're going for monetary gain.
Haka cukup na kaliang jong MP jong keselong ula ongru baka Seng Congress dalili ke namla banyak trilang baka sokar MDE mar baka don ke Seng BJP haka baka Congress baka GP kita ngeje rekam ke bapher bak labak. Habla kali halo ka jeng pamtikana syuk banyak ki MLE Congress na ka Seng Congress haka election ajar arpulai ubak pala ula ong ba ka Seng Congress kam dei ka babi yak bakam tip manu ki bane MLE syuk na ka Seng bat manu pat ki bandang yale.
I talked to all of MLAs individually also. So I told them, because the High Command trusted me, and the individual MLAs also, if you are Meral, Kongamprin, anybody, they had a talk with our High Command. They have consistently had a talk with them. But, after all, MLAs are leaders. The High Command also are leaders. We are all leaders on our own way. So convincing somebody is not by your rank and file. Convincing somebody also, it's depend on individuals, individuals' interest also.
You have mentioned that you have not been consulted by the CLP regarding their decision to support the MDA government. So is there a kind of an infighting or there is no understanding within the Congress party?
Unfortunately, I went to Karo Hills. I visited block by block. I started from Jainta Hills and Khasi Hills, and then I almost completed Khasi Hills. Then I went to Karo Hills. So unfortunately, I got COVID when I was in Karo Hills. From Karo Hills, then I went to Guwahati. I stayed 2 days in Guwahati. I felt that it's become more and more serious. So then I went to Delhi. I took almost 2.5 to 3 weeks rest in Delhi. So when I was not well, most of the time I did not take my mobile, honestly. Whether they called me or not, I don't know, because with cough, high temperature and all, I got serious with COVID. So I don't know, but definitely when they left without consulting us, it's not a question of infighting. Maybe they have their own interest, they have their own own plan, own vision. So I don't think that I was talking to Madam Amprin yesterday also, and she told me, sir, we cannot afford to stay in the opposition. That's the main reasons.
So, but what do you have to say on this allegation that your 5 MLAs may not even contest from the party?
We don't have a problem whether they fight or not. We are so not fools. We also know in advance who is who, what is what. So we are doing our ground, we prepare our ground. Honestly, I know who is going to fight from us, who is not going to fight from us. So we should not bother about that, because we have things ready, we prepared for that. Not only me, we have a team who keep on talking, and then we are ready for that.
So 17 MLAs are left.
Yeah.